Hey guys, Tola again. I'm the product lead here at Mamo, and I'm going to show you how to create subscriptions for your customers via your Mamo Dashboard. So we start here on the recurring payments overview page, where you have a list of all of your previously created recurring payments. If I want to create a new one, I just click new over here. Now I can begin the process of configuring my subscription. So we'll give it a title and a description. Now I can set the amount, which will be the individual amount that's charged with each payment. I also have the option to add a processing fee, redirect to a custom success page, or to include any relevant terms and conditions. Now let's define the payment schedule. We start by defining the frequency. We can choose between weekly, monthly, or custom. In this case, we'll go for weekly. We can define the start date, so you can either set it such that it starts on the day that each individual customer makes their first payment, or you can set a specific date where the schedule will start for all of the customers that have signed up. And finally, you can choose the end date, so it can continue indefinitely, it can expire after a set number of payments, or it can expire on a specific date. Now that my subscription is created, I have a variety of options around how to share it. I can copy my link, or I can generate a QR code which my users can scan to make their payment. As I scroll down, you can see all of the details related to the link, such as the number of subscribers, the total amount paid, and all of the details that had been previously set. You'll also be able to see all information in relation to the subscribers, which I'll show you once I subscribe to the link. So I'll go ahead and make a payment. So your customers will land on this page where they can see your business name, they can see the name of the subscription, and they can see the description that you defined during the creation process. Further down, they'll be able to see the subtotal and also the frequency of the payments. So I'm going to go ahead and subscribe. I'll enter my details. So we currently have Apple Pay, Google Pay, and of course the ability to add your debit or credit card. In this case, I'm using Chrome, so Google Pay automatically shows. But I'll go ahead and add my debit card. And I'll confirm that I'm happy for my card to be saved for future payments. So I've successfully subscribed. I have my confirmation here, I have my reference ID, and as a customer, I will receive an email containing all of this relevant information. So we'll jump back over to the dashboard. So now I can see that I have one subscriber. I have received a total of 20 dirham. And as I scroll down, I can see further details relating to that subscriber. If I click here, I can see all the details that were shared during their sign-up process. I can see when the next payment date is, when the last payment date was, and I'll also be able to see all of the payments that have been made during their time as a subscriber. I hope this has been helpful. This is Tola, and I hope you have a great day.